Hello, everybody. I actually have like a really important thing to talk about, and I, for one, am super excited for it. But it also means I'm probably gonna have to postpone my Warrior Cat game. But does it really matter? I forgot what I was gonna say. Anyway, so basically, what the special news is that I am going to be making my own Yandere simulator game. Now, there is one problem with this. I actually do not have any of the programs you would actually need. So we're just going to wing it with, well, I'm going to be using Scratch. And it's going to go terribly, but it's the only coding program I have. And I actually looked up how to do like scrolling stuff so I could make it really like more of a simulator game. But here's the problem. It's too complicated, so I'm just not gonna do that. And also, about that, I'm gonna be like putting heart and soul into this project, so please don't call me stupid for being a 12-year-old and trying to make a Yandere simulator game with a program for children. So we're all good. But point being, I'm actually going to be doing this, and I will be posting updates regularly, and it'll be great. 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 But yeah. So look out for those, I guess. And I am actually going to be like working on this, like not just all my other projects. So bye.